I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder using these 3 items from Dollar Tree. And I picked this eye bolts up at Walmart, 97 cents for 2. And then these machine screws with nuts at Walmart, 97 cents. And I'm using my wood burner. That's all it's going to take to put this together. Well, I don't know, I might need to get a long screwdriver or something to put that in the bottom. The top, I will have to melt a hole through the bowl. Now I got to make sure, I'm going to need a bigger hole than that I get it round enough for the eye bolt to go through it. I had to melt where that opens and shuts. I had to melt through that and that to screw that in so this won't open. I don't want that to open after it's attached to this because I want to just be able to screw the lid off to put the seat in. I think that's going to do. I'm going to put this on. Okay. Now let's put the lid to the cup on there. I wanted to do one with a bird feeder with a covering because it's been raining here a lot and my bird feed is getting wet. So I haven't been putting out as much bird feed. So we've got the top done. That's the top. I'm going to hang it from that. See, this will twist on and off, and I'll be able to put the bird feed in that. So since I'm going to put the bird feed in this, and I want it to come out down here, I'm going to have to melt a few holes down here for the bird feed to come out. And I don't want the holes too big. Melt a hole in the center of this. That's big enough for this screw to go through. Now I'm going to find the center of this plate and melt this hole in it. This is a thicker plastic and you may be able to drill the hole through it, but I got my wood burner heated up and it's just quicker for me to go ahead and melt it. Okay, I think I got it. A rounder cup would have been better and easier, but that's okay. I can still do this. I got a screwdriver out of my husband's garage and it has a magnet on the end of it to help me hold onto the screw when I put it through here. I'll remember next time to make sure that I can stick my hand down in the cup. And I already screwed that on. So my bird feeder is finished. We're just gonna put the lid on. And there is the bird feeder.